Hey, welcome to the lecture. Now in this lecture, you learn what is fork. Forking is when you create a new project based off of another project that already exists. So it is a sort of copying. This is an amazing feature that vastly encourages the further development of programs and other projects. If you find a project on GitHub that you would like to contribute to, you can fork the repository, make the changes you'd like, and release the revised project as a new repository. If the original repository that you forked to create your new project gets updated, you can easily add those updates to your current fork. Now I will actually go to my web browser and visit the GitHub site to actually demonstrate to you how a fork can be done. Okay, so let's get back to our web browser. Let's do a Google search and let us search for a sample GitHub project. And here we have a sample GitHub project. We'll click on this link. Let's browse it. You can see the readme.md, which is a documentation for the project. And this is a project out here which will be doing a fork. So as you can see here, this is the URL for this particular project, which is github.com/skito/sample Java project. Okay, the fork is pretty much simple. You just click on this button fork. Here you can see the project has been forked 82 times. So let's do it. Let's click on the fork button. The tooltip shows fork your own copy of Skito sample Java project to your account. So let's click on it and bingo, the project has been forked. As you can see here, the URL has changed appropriately to github.com bbroy sample Java project. bbroy is an account name I'm using. Now this project is totally yours. You can do whatever you want to do with the project. So basically fork created a copy of the project and that copy is completely yours. For our purpose, in our subsequent lecture, we'll clone this project into our local machine. This will create a local repository in our local machine. Don't worry, we'll show in detail what a clone means in subsequent lectures. Now if you go back to our earlier URL, we can see that the figure 82 changes to 83 because I have just now done a fork of that particular project